Hello dear students and welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study about concept of circle. Children, you are already aware about circle and its part. Circle is made up of points at a constant distance from the center. When we join this center point to the outer boundary through a line, we get the same distance all the time. This is known as the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is same at any distance from the center to the outer boundary. A circle can have infinite radius. Here we have seen few radius. One of them is this. Now, if I join a line segment at two distinct points of the circle, we get a chord. A chord can be of any measurement inside the circle. You can draw infinite chords, but when this chord passes through the center of the circle, we call it as diameter. So here, this is the diameter, which is twice of the radius. That means double the radius. The smallest part of the outer boundary is known as the arc of the circle, whereas the half of the circle is known as the semicircle. The outer boundary of the circle is also known as the circumference of the circle. You can measure this using a thread. So, center, radius, chord, diameter, arc, semicircle and circumference are the parts of the circle. In this chapter, we also study about how to calculate the area and the perimeter of the circle. We can draw a circle by using any circular object, say bangle, and tracing it from all the sides. So here I got a circle. As I already told you, the outer boundary of the circle is known as the circumference. And this outer boundary is the total distance of the circle, so it is also known as the perimeter of the circle. The center point to the boundary of the circle or center point to the circumference is always constant, and we can denote it with capital O. So this distance is known as the radius. Children, we have learned how to construct the circle using a compass by fixing a sharp pencil into it. This way we create the circumference of the circle. Now, let us move forward to understand how to calculate the circumference and area of the circle. The circumference of the circle can be calculated by using the formula 2 pi r, where pi is the constant value. Its constant value is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. R is the radius. Whenever we substitute the value in it, we can multiply and get the circumference of the circle. Whereas area of the circle is pi r square. Again, pi is a constant term, which is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. And r is the radius. So, the formula is half into pi r square. You can substitute the values. Pi is always constant, so you can put 22 upon 7. R is the radius of the circle. Whatever is given, you can write down that. And by doing the final calculation, you can find out its area. But when we talk about semicircle, which is half of the circle, the formula also divides into half. The area of circle is pi r square and that of the semicircle is half pi r square. So whatever area you are getting of the circle, just half it, you will get the area of a semicircle. We are going to do questions based on this in our live class, children. But Till then, you should remember the formula of semicircle area, area of a circle, and perimeter of a circle. Thank you.